If you have ever struggled with smelly armpits, no matter the amount of deodorants you have tried in the past and present, and the smell is still there, now you need to sit down and watch this video. Let me show you step by step on what to do to eradicate that smell with simple home remedy. Okay, and if you have dark armpits, dark underarm, this video is for you, because I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to remove or clear that dark underarm, dark armpit with just simple remedies. Hello, my name is Ify and this is Do It Yourself with Ify. In this channel, I teach beauty hacks and how to do things yourself. So you do not want to miss any of my video. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you'll be the first to see when I post new videos. Without doing too much, let's get into the video of the day. All you'll be needing for this remedy is lemon. Yes, you heard me right. Go to the market and get lemon for yourself. This is going to help you clear that foul smell that oozes out from your armpits. Using deodorant doesn't cut it, because when you wash off your deodorant, the smell is still there. So what you'll be needing for this remedy is lemon. All you need to do, cut it into two parts. Use the other part to scrub your armpit, and you can store the other part in the fridge for the next day. Do this once in a day, 3 times in a week, and before 2 weeks everything will be cleared. Trust me and go on with this remedy. Another way to use this is to extract the lemon juice into a spray bottle and spray it in your armpits 2 times in a day. That's morning and night. Remember I said 2 weeks maximum, and your armpits will be free from that foul smell, that bad odor that oozes out from there. And come back and thank me later. So to clear the dark underarm, we'll be needing coffee. I feel like coffee is optional. If you want, you can add it. If you don't want, you can use turmeric, coconut oil, optional too. Coconut oil, that's optional for me, and aloe vera gel, and the king of kings, which is lemon juice, is needed. Yeah, it's needed. You extract the juice into your plate and mix it very well with the other ingredients and apply on your armpit. Trust me, turmeric and lemon juice can do the work. But if you want, you can add other ones like coffee, aloe vera oil, and coconut oil.